Hey, what's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are here with the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Supcase. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about this plastic screen on here, and a lot of people want to know if this can come off. And today, that's what we're going to do, so stay tuned. Before we get started though, there are a couple of things that you're going to need. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver, such as this, or a butter knife will do. You'll need a heat gun, or either a hair dryer. And that's it. Only two things you're going to need, as well as the case. Now, I'm going to open this up, and then we're going to get started. Once you get it open, it comes in two pieces, as you all know that. We're going to sit that piece to the side because this is the piece that we are going to be working with. This is where the glue is that's going to be on this front. We're going to heat that glue up right around that edge, and then we're going to take the flathead screwdriver and just go around the edge and peel that piece out. Let's get started. So once you get the glue heated up to a certain temperature, it's just going to basically peel off. Once you get one side off, you can kind of peel that whole sheet right back, just like that. Now, it took me maybe about 2 minutes just to heat that glue up. And once I got it heated up and got up under it, the screen comes out just like so. Screen comes out, and this is what you're left with. You're left with a screenless front that you can attach to your iPad. Now, since we have this already right here, why not do another test? So I have my iPad 11-inch Pro. Here it is right here. Now, I'm going to snap this on. And one more thing, I do have a screen protector on here. So, let's go ahead and lay that on. I'm going to drop this in the case, just like so. Voila. So it fits. I'm touching the actual screen to the iPad. Got it unlocked. There we go. So you can take this out. Now, I want you to remember though, by taking this out, you void your warranty. Let's just be clear with that right up front. Once you take this screen out, you voided the warranty on this. I don't recommend doing this. It's just something that I personally wanted to try out, and it actually works, so I'm really digging it. You know, you get the same responsiveness because you're touching the actual screen, and you only needed really two tools. So if you have one of these laying around the house, flathead screwdriver, and this is a heat gun, but you can use a hair dryer. So if you got a hair dryer, plug it up, go around the edges, about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you get that screwdriver under the edge, this screen is going to pop right out and peel right off, just like I showed you. So hope this is able to help someone out. Please give me that thumbs up, please subscribe, and until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.